Welcome to Kiambu County, Gatundu South, yani kwa Uhunye. Leo hapa nawaletea this beautiful 2-acre piece of land selling at only 6.5 million Kenya shillings, and that is a discounted because we are approaching the holidays and we want you to close the year with this beautiful parcel right here. As you can see, there's coffee farming, there's also tea farming which was just recently introduced into the area. There's also pineapple farming. So if you're out there and you want an agricultural land, a place unaweza fanya ukulima, a place you can also build your beautiful home, this is the place for that. This is a well populated area with neighbors on site. Stima iko, maji iko, and also internet access, with this only being 40 minutes away from Thika Super Highway. What is stopping you? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Brought to you by Beibora Properties Limited. All you have to do is give us a call 0702 722 498 or visit our main office. We are located in Ruiru Town, Greg Towers, ghorofa ya kwanza, ya tatu ama ya sita, na hapo utapata a team ready to work this investment journey with you. So if you're out there, tupigie simu na tukusort.